Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change EBT card on DoorDash. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone. Tap on Me in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings. Select Payment Methods. If you've already added a SNAP EBT card, it will appear in this section. Tap on the existing EBT card. If it's a Link FIS card, you'll be able to manage it here. Delete the old card, then enter your new EBT card number and tap Save. How to shop using your EBT card on DoorDash. Go to the grocery or convenience section in the app. Tap on the filters icon, then select Dash Pass, Snap, HSA/FSA. Make sure Snap is checked to view all the stores that accept EBT/Snap payments. And that's it. That's how to change EBT card on DoorDash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.